All right, everyone. So this is Adobe Audition. We will do that. Okay. So this is Adobe Audition. Very simple to use. Or it's not as simple as Audacity, but once you get the hang of it, it can be really simple. Now, uh, if you now this is just another option to using instead of uh, Audacity, but if you use Audacity for AC, ACX, your product will still turn out fine. So just uh, be don't fret about getting. Oh, I need to get the best software to upload my audiobook to ACX. No, 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 no. You don't need the best. It's a nice tool to have in your repertoire, but it's not required. And Audacity does work just as well. So let's just go through the basics. So just start off and we're going to click record. Of course, we have untitled number one. Keep all that there. So just name your file. 40, yeah, 44, 4800. Yeah, yeah, that's right. Okay, and just click OK. Let me just check something with something else real quickly. Yeah, so if you do not want to pay the 20 bucks a month or 40 bucks a month, rather, just, yeah, you can go ahead and just use Audacity when you get the chance, and make sure that this is 44,100. Keep it as a mono track. It just makes editing much easier, and 32-bit flow. All right, let's go. Okay, so this is just going to be a little bit of sample. You can see the wavelengths here. I'm just going to try and keep this down. And it's recording pretty quickly in terms of time. I think it's just that the seconds are right there. And yeah, okay. So, okay, so you notice here, right here with this little spike, I clip my lips together. I do that by accident, and so I need to delete that because you're just going to have these little things just come up every now and then, and you see that it's shifted a bit there. Okay, now here are the fun things. So if you do Control A or Command A, if you're on a Mac, you can highlight everything, and you don't have to pull the sliders across. So just go ahead and do that. Let's talk a little bit about the favorites. We can normalize this to -3 dB, -0.1 dB. Let's just do that. It keeps it easier to work with, and you're not going to see too much of a spike one way or the other with your sound waves. All right, so to undo that, just click Edit, Undo. All right. You could actually do multi-tracks, which is pretty fun. Bonus track, track visibility, track load, track save, those sort of things. Okay. You could actually do noise reduction, and even to the point of denoise. So I'm just going to take this little clip right here. Let's just play this back. Okay, so this is just going to be a little bit of sample. Okay, so just this little bit right here, and we're going to denoise that. Okay, effects, noise rejection, go to denoise. All right, and you can see the wavelengths here. I'm just going to try and keep this down, and it's recording pretty quickly in terms of time. It's just that the seconds. Let me just play this right here, and okay, so this is just favorites. Where is normalized? Where is lower to pitch? Where's remove? No. All right. Apologies there. So we're going to denoise this, and let's just go to 70% and click apply. And you noticed that little area right there went down. So I'm going to do edit, undo denoise, and edit, redo denoise, and you see that little bit drop there as well. Yeah. Now let's see what happens if we denoise that 100%. Okay, so this is, and if you hear it if you listen very closely, that still picks it up. It's not the same as just deleting. Okay, let's do another Control A. Let's go to more effects. We've got amplitude and compression. You got a hard limit. We can hard limit this to -3.4, and we can hit apply, and you can see that as well. So it's just a little bit longer way than having to go to the favorites. All right, let's you can actually delay and echo this. So there are definitely a lot of things that that you can do with this, and I can't get into all of them right now, but just the the basics. All right, so let's go to match loudness real quickly. Okay. Support media font. Oh wait. Never mind. Delay and echo. So, all right. Okay, let's just cover the echo part. I apologize. Echo. All right. I'm not going to touch the controls here. Just a little bit of a feedback. Delay that maybe to 350 milliseconds. Echo level 85 approximately, and you should be good. Let's play this. Okay, so this is just going to be a little bit of sample. You can see the wavelengths here. I'm just going to try to keep this down. Yeah, it sounds like a bunch of fading out real quickly. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so get that there. We can do lower the pitch, edit. I'm going to undo that real quickly. And yeah, let me just give me a moment, and I have to pause the recording. It's very simple to use once you get to know, and we can definitely play around with this a lot. So I'm just going to pause this right here. All right. We're back now, and just going to cover a few things, and yeah. All right, so we can, what should I do next? Auto heal. Just so if we want to auto heal something, we can just do that, and it repairs it like that. Very simple. That just helps with like the dump and those things of the sort. So, oh, to save this, just click File Save and Sample 1, and you can actually select which type of file this is. It's always best to put that in MP3 format, and just save it somewhere where you're gonna know where. And 192 kbps, 44 100 hertz, 32-bit sample rate, and click OK. Include markers and other metadata. That's fine. Click OK. And click yes. All right. Okay. You can actually import other files, which is in raw data. So let's just do formatting for ACX right there. And okay, and then you have that there, and you have sample there. Okay. Effect. Save metro, bounce new track. File, import file right there, so you can just add it there. I'm going to drag this real quickly. Done. Right. Let's just oh, and let's talk about fading in real quickly. So, yeah, just real quickly, fade in just like that, and edit, undo, fade out. If you have a certain track, this is definitely good. Edit, effects, favorites, fade out. Okay, you're good there. Okay. Oh, and to add the tracks, go to multi-form session. Sorry, I am bouncing around here. So sample session 1, and yeah. Okay. All right. So we've got our samples here. Sample number 1, audio formatting for ACX. Just going to plop that right there, and we are going to take the second sample and place this. If I could move this real quickly. Be able to expand this out maybe. Show you all. Let's just move this to the back real quickly if I could. Okay. Or actually, fortunately, we can do this. Find a way to align them. Can show you right there. Okay, yeah. So just so just right there. Just find it and then just click align right there. And yeah, and then once you're done, you can actually export this or save all. Yeah, click yes and click yes. All right, yes. Got it. Perfect. Okay, file, export, multi-track mixdown, entire session, MP3 one more time to where you want to go, 4400, same as source, and just click OK. And documents. All right, and okay, and you're not. Let's just now. I'm just gonna shift my video real quickly. So hold on. We're gonna do a new share and file explorer share. Okay, so right here you can see this. It came up as audio formatting for ACX, and let's just play this real quickly. You may not be able to see this, but and I'm just going to go through this real quickly. Okay, guys, we are back again. We're going to click on Audacity. Yeah. All right. Sure to go ahead and export this as an MP3 file. More in the next video, so stay safe, stay great. Okay, okay, actually, let me just make sure of something. So I have to click play. Okay, guys, we are back again. We're going to click on Audacity.
Let me just get that out there. Okay. We are going to open a different file real quickly. Let me just go get it. Sample,
And
you can see the
expansion
wavelengths
environment.
here.
Okay,
I'm just going to try
I've
and
got
keep
it.
this down.
All right.
And
So
it's
now
recording
what I am
pretty.
okay. So okay, one other tip I would actually suggest is just put this on one track and oh, and this is the fun part. So you can actually you just show you this and just play it there.
This is just going to be a little bit of sample. You can see the wavelengths here. I'm just going to try and keep this down. And it's recording pretty quickly in terms of time. I think.
Okay, so you notice this here. So this little sample here. So let's
Okay, so this is just going to be a little bit of sample. You can see the wavelengths here.
okay, and then it just slightly gets louder around this point. Yeah, so this is the fade in tool. I would just hold off on not using that real quickly. So let's just play
And
this
it's
all
going to analyze
together.
your audio for a bit. And it's going to analyze
All right, so let's play this all together. So just click
your
play.
audio for a bit. Okay, and
Okay, we're gonna play this one more time, and you're gonna see how it transitions.
it's going to analyze your audio for a bit. Okay, and it's good. And I think that covers it. All right, we're going to cover more in the next video. So stay safe, stay great. Okay, so this is just going to be a little bit of sample. You can see the wavelengths here. I'm just going to try and keep this down.
All right, now we're gonna export this one more time and multi-track entire session. Yeah, and it will show up in, let's just put this in. Let's just put this in a different place. So so just one moment. All right, so we're back. Gotta name this something else instead of a mix down. Let's just say simple mix down for. Okay, got that there. I'm gonna just do browse real quickly and just do picture audiobooks. If I can find it. MP3, all that there, and click OK. And it'll export. All right, I think let's just do this. So multi-track editor, waveform editor, we'll go back to, and you're going to be able to see if I could show this to you. This. So let's play this back.
Quickly, in terms of time, I think it's just that the seconds are right there. And yeah, you can see the wavelengths here. I'm just going to try and keep this down.
Right, and then we can just view the multi-track editor again, and then you can just go back to the track and then just do the length form, and yeah, expand it like this, and you'll see the whole thing, and shorten it again, and you get the individual clips, and you're going to see those little spikes much more easily, and they're not going to sneak up on you like that. So that's just more of a magnifying tool. The amplitude statistics playlist, all this stuff, it is there. Zoom video, time display, you have that there. Right. tools, time selection. You have there, move razor, mix, paste. Okay. All right, let's open up the what I had earlier and just show you the sample. So we're gonna just view that there, multi-track editor. Now, what I need to make sure of is, we could just play this.
Going to click on Audacity. Let me just get that out there. Okay. And it's going to analyze your audio for a bit. Okay, and it's good. And I think that covers.
Okay, so you just want to make sure of something.
Okay, guys.
Okay, and you see, all right, you're not going to be able to see this, but once you export it as the tracks and then just bring that audio in and just keep it as the mono track with the two samples, hold on a second, the two samples right here, it'll just count it as one track, and you don't have to worry about um, you know, keeping, worrying about mixing two tracks. Just bring in the second sample if you're unsure and you just want to export it as one mono file. This is the best way to do it for your audiobook or podcast or whatever you may be doing. And there's always help as well. So Adobe Audition help if you get into any trouble. Yeah. Yeah, I would definitely say that Audacity is much simpler to use, and you don't have to worry about paying that $20 subscription fee once again. So yeah. Okay, so when you do click on that Adobe Audition, you get tutorials, guides. Let me just show you real quickly with the new share. Okay, so yes, you get the get started down tutorials, find tutorials from novice to expert to help you expand your skills. So you can definitely get more here. User guide as well. And if you're using a free trial version, you can click buy now if you really want to get into this. But this is really specific for if you really want to get this down as well. If you really are going to get into the audio industry, then Adobe Audition is always a good skill to have. But if you're just going to do audiobooks for yourself, stick with Audacity. Don't pay the $20 a month for this or the $40 a month for the full package, unless you're going into an industry that requires that specific software. It's not worth it. You can use Audacity and get the same results as you would with Adobe Audition or Hindenburg or any of the other recording softwares. All right, I think that's going to do it for now. If you have any questions, um, just let me know and I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. Yeah. All right. And yeah, and you can definitely email me as well. I'll leave that somewhere along the way. So yeah. All right. We're coming. All right. That'll do it.